Namaste everybody, welcome aboard Green Living Path. Today we've got an awesome talk. It's about flow state. This is a buzzword amongst people and stuff like that. But it's actually really important to live each day as much as you can in flow state, because then your life transforms. Now, to me, what flow state is alignment with yourself, your purpose. It's like a North Star. When you've got when you feel your enjoyment and you're living your passion, you've got this North Star that you're following each day that's guiding you through your life. So your life naturally has direction and flow. So it's like I love surfing. It's like when you're surfing constantly every day, practicing it, and you're out there and it's good sized surf and you see people fighting against the surf and stuff like that. But what's happening is when you've been surfing for many years, you're in flow state. You're going out with the rip, the waves coming, and you're just stroking into it. You're not struggling to stroke into it, pushing up and then surfing the wave with this light, loving focus all the way through, kicking out and then going back in the rip again, going back out again. And then it's like you're in this flow, this beautiful flow state. You're dancing with the ocean, guys. And that's a metaphor for when you're doing what you truly love and living your purpose, which is really important. Time, and you've got natural focus. It kind of time just vanishes, disappears. You're focused on what you're doing, the process, and so in love with the process that time dilates. That's just a fancy way of time becomes distorted. It does, because of the way the focus you're putting into your thing you love. Now, another thing is that so many of us don't listen to the voice and don't follow our passion. They opt out. They don't listen to the voice, and in their life they're unhappy with their life. Because they're not living in an alignment. For example, say if I was going to become a lawyer and I studied away and stuff like that, but deep inside myself, I knew that being a lawyer wasn't me. I wasn't living my truth. But people, my friends, my family, even my partner said, oh no, it's a great thing to do. This is just hypothetically, guys, that, you have status, you have money, blah, blah, blah. But when I'm trying to sit the exams and studying, because it's out of alignment with who I am, it's 50 times harder, guys. It's a lot harder than when you're in alignment with somebody that wants to be a lawyer. So following your North Star and an alignment, to me, is flow state. It's being in your optimum, you're living your optimum purpose. When you do that, all the things that scientifically your chemicals being released, all the things are automatically released into your body. I could go into that side of things, but it's not about that for me. It's more about the alignment of who you are, living that purpose every single day. Now, another thing too is that if you want to get in this state, there's certain things you need to do each day. You need to take some time and have a piece of paper and observe your life and think about the places or the feelings when you're most happy, when you had the most joy in your life, when you feel lighthearted and loving and playful in your life. Because that's actually part of being in flow state, guys, believe it or not. A lot of people that are older stop doing their passion, saying that it's childish or whatever, but that's the whole purpose. Doing what you're loving, it puts you in this flow state and it gives joy and meaning to your life. When you take that out of your life and you throw it away, you're not living in that alignment. So get a piece of paper, sit back and observe the things in your life that gave you the most joy, and think about how you can incorporate that into your life. If you've got children, obviously you've got commitments financially, but you can bring that into your life bit by bit, transition it into your life to eventually you can make it into a sustainable income that you're living your purpose, guys. So go to a quiet place in your house too, that's still, and take deep breaths, which slows down your autonomic nervous system. It's like meditation, and then basically just go into that deep state, listening to your inner self, finding out what your purpose is, who you truly want to do, what you love to do, just in a nutshell, basic, what you want to do, and then basically think about what platform or medium you want to put that you're helping other people, inspiring other people, practically doing your passion for people, and work out what medium you can use to give that passion out, spread out that joy and that love that you feel when you're in alignment and living your purpose, guys. Because it's really important. We are not victims in life. A lot of people have this victim mentality, and they also just settle for whatever job they want, can get. And what happens is every day they're struggling. Just like the lawyer, it's 50 times harder for me to sit it because it's not something I'm passionate about and in alignment with. So when you're in alignment and when you're following that North Star in your life begins to bloom. You're a lot happier. People pick up on that too. When you're living your purpose, when you're living your truth, they will like magnetically drawn to you because that's who you truly are. And it gives you this energy about you, this aura about you that people are interested in, asking you questions, and can see that you're actually living your truth and living the life that you're meant to live, guys. And that's really important. So try the observing your life, try the meditation technique, try to work out how much medium, what platform you can do to help others, inspire others with your passion. Think about it, so how you can integrate that into your life and actually start living your truth. So to me, that is what flow state is, guys. It's when you're in optimal alignment, because after all, we're part of the quantum field. We're like a gigantic organism. We're parts of it that's constantly growing its consciousness and expanding, because we're all interconnected. We're not individuals, we're actually interconnected. And this is the quantum field that flows through. It's a current that flows through all living things, guys. So I hope this helped. It's awesome to have you here. And yeah, try those tips. Namaste. Bye for now.